Today is not becoming someone new. It is about remembering the woman you were before fear, before conditioning, before rejection, before betrayal, before the world told you to become smaller. Every woman carries the goddess within, the Mahadevi within her, not as a myth, but as a living intelligence. She is a creator who gives birth to dreams. She is the nurturer who holds unconditional love. She is the fierce protector like Kali, who sets sacred boundary, divine boundary, healthy boundary. She is the destroyer who burns away everything that no longer serves. For generations, women have inherited the stories of silence, shame, sacrifice, abandonment, and self-doubt. This story do not define you because you are not your story. They are just inherited pattern, not your true identity. Today we begin to remember why we are here for this session. You are not here to chase your power, dear. You are here to remove everything that has covered it, covered your power, your true identity. The divine feminine is not weakness. The divine feminine is divine remembrance. It is the force that birthed universe. Remember, it is the womb that transforms pain into wisdom. It is the heart that chooses love without abandoning itself. As you enter this sacred journey, I invite you to let go of comparison, perfection, and judgment. Allow yourself to be seen. Allow yourself to feel. Allow yourself to receive. Allow yourself to love. The goddess does not ask you to be perfect. Perfectionism is just perfectionism is abusive masculine trait. You are goddess. You don't need this perfectionism. Dear, when woman remembers who she truly is, her relationship changes, her body changes, her abundance changes. Even generation after her begin to heal. Today is not just your healing. It is the healing of daughter who will come after you, and the ancestor who came before you. It's actually ancestral healing. Goddess activation is actually ancestral healing. You get my point? Close your eyes for a moment and whisper to yourself, I am ready to remember the Mahadevi, the goddess within me. I surrender everything that is not my truth. I choose love. I choose power. I choose myself. I choose the divine light. Welcome, dear. Welcome to your homecoming. Jai Mahadevi. The goddess were never outside you. She has always been waiting within. This is the time to search, to find your personal goddess. Who is she? Do you know her? The woman does not bloom in isolation. Look at the wisdom of goddess. The lion symbolizes courage, but the elephant teaches us something equally sacred: community, memory, nurturing, and the strength of the tribe, strength of the group. When one elephant is in pain, the herd gathers. When a calf is born, the herd protects. When one is weak, no one is left behind. Understand, dear, the divine feminine carries the same intelligence, same fashion. If you understand, you understand. The woman's nervous system heals in safe environment, same connection. Her voice returns when it is witnessed. Her heart expands when it is held without judgment. When she feels safe, she is thriving. She is just thriving. This is why the goddess is remembered through circles, temples, rituals, and communities of women. The feminine thrives in belongings, not competition. Your tribe does not make you powerful. It reminds you of the power that has always lived within you. When women gather with love instead of comparison, with compassion, with full of heart instead of jealousy, and with truth instead of marks, that time, dear, Mahadevi awakens. Not in one woman, in every woman present. Because A healed woman always inspires another woman to heal, to thrive, to grow, to learn. And the last part, when women rise together, generation change. Dear Mahadevi workshop, the goddess activation, a homecoming to the divine feminine. The second week of July, I invite you to a sacred journey, a Mahadevi goddess activation workshop. It is about remembering the Mahadevi within you. You are the goddess. Together we will explore the ancient wisdom of goddess, the sacred feminine codes, and the timeless teaching that invite us back to our true essence, true identity. Your body is not just a body, it's a jantra. It's a sacred instrument through which consciousness, love, intuition, and life can be experienced. Do you choose this beautiful experience for your life? Do you choose? If something within you, heart whisper, I am ready to come home, then this invitation is for you. This workshop is completely free, but the only entry fee is self-love. Come with an open heart, curiosity is main ingredient actually, and a willingness to remember who you truly are. No perfection, no performance, just your authentic presence. If you feel called, I would be honored to welcome you into this sacred cycle. Welcome home, Mahadevi. You are goddess. Just accept it. I am your host, Sunanda, and I will be waiting to welcome you into this sacred cycle. Come home to yourself. Come home to Mahadevi. Thank you so much. Trust your inner calling. Thank you.